Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually impersonate users on ServiceNow. So if you haven't impersonated a user before, you need to have the appropriate roles first off. But assuming you have the role to be able to impersonate users, just go ahead and select your icon or your profile in the top right. Once you do that, you have the impersonate user option. So go ahead and select it. And then you can go ahead and search for a user. You could go ahead and scroll through the list. So you just go ahead and pick whichever user you want to impersonate. I'll select, let's do Aileen Rebeck. That's how she says her last name. And let's hit impersonate user. Okay, so now that I'm impersonating this user, you'll see this red bar here at the top indicating I'm impersonating someone. You also see this little eye icon also to indicate that I'm impersonating someone. But you'll also notice that my profile has now changed. You can see I'm impersonating this user. So it's just like I'm the real person. And if I go and select profile, you'll see that it will actually take me to Aileen's profile and not my admin profile that I'm impersonating from. So while I'm impersonating Aileen, I'm going to inherit all of the groups and the roles and the permissions that Aileen has. So this is a very helpful tool if you're trying to troubleshoot an issue that a user is having. When I was an admin, I would do this all the time. So I would figure out what the issue is from the user. Sometimes I'd have them show me, and then I would try to recreate the issue myself while I'm impersonating them. Once I'm able to recreate the issue, then I would head back over to my admin account, implement whatever fix that was going to resolve the issue for that user. I would then re-impersonate as that user, test everything out, and then if it's working on my end, there's a good likelihood it's going to work for that user. Then I'd reach out to the user and have them test to make sure that the fix actually worked. This is so much quicker than you having to go back and forth with a user and ask them to keep testing something. So this is one of my favorite features on ServiceNow, and I highly recommend that you get used to impersonating users if you want to become a ServiceNow admin. And if you want to impersonate a user, you just have to come back over to the profile in the top right, select End Impersonation. That red bar will be gone once this is done loading, and then you'll see my admin profile picture. There it is in the top right.